Hello guys, we're going to be showing you how to make chorded on kinemaster. First, you grab this audio, download. There. No.
Hey, what are you?
No, what the fuck?
Hello, guy.
Nah. Wait. Ah. Wait a minute, guys. Okay, guys, I bet. Perfect. There. I found it. Okay. Does it sound perfect? Yeah. No. No. Wait, I forgot to change my language, bro. Oh my. Guys, I can't. I can't change it. But let's get started. Look. Huh? Okay. No. Oh, sorry, guys. No. Sorry, guys. There. Go down. Okay. Okay. Kissing Mickey. Okay. Okay, that's much perfect. Yeah. Oh my god. So dark. So dark here. Huh? What the heck? Why so black though? Let me see. No. No. Oh my gosh, what the hell, bro? Guys, wait. Oh, there. No, they was bad, though.
Now what?
No, shut the fuck. Are you just kidding me? It's just normal, bro.
Now what?
It's just normal.
Okay.
Are you fucking serious?
What the fuck?
Are you fucking serious, bro? I am one, bro. Get the heck out of here, bro. Oh my gosh, I forgot it. Now let's... Okay. Now. Perfect. That's one. It's the B. Now let's start. Okay, guys. Goodbye, guys. See you next time.